Instagram shout out goes to that Mark 1 Focus. Well, it's snowing, like a lot. And of course the TT is completely covered. They were calling for less than an inch. And well, we got about 2 inches so far, and it's supposed to snow for the next 4 hours when it wasn't even supposed to snow. I didn't prep for this. I really want to try to Tokyo drift this thing. I think it's a good idea, so let's just make it happen. I've been loving doing the burnouts and the TT, so I was like, you know what? There's a little bit of slip to start the initiation, and I've been doing these huge burnouts in the TDI. I didn't know she had it in her, but as you guys can see, these tires, they may have like 500 miles left in them, but you know what? I want to burn them completely off, and this is the perfect time. Around the block. I mean, the roads aren't too bad. They're covered in this slushy material, but it's a full set type of day. I've got traction control off in this thing. I got my heat on high. We got burnout marks in the driveway. Oh my God. No traction. Oh, we've also got no windshield wipers, which I don't really know if that matters, but we got a defroster. Perfect! Rain-X should sponsor me because I use Rain-X on my windshield because I have no windshield wipers and absolutely no water sticks to my windshield, so Rain-X, hit me up. I just want to pull the e-brake everywhere I go now and just do burnouts. It's a little bit of a bad habit, but see if we can get some traction on all the salt they put on the road. Nope. TDI is obviously proven itself. I really want to hop in the TT, start her up, warm her up, and start beating on that thing. It's so fun beating on the purple car. I never get to do it. Honestly, I'm not even going to clean off the car. I'm literally just going to start this thing up, hit the windshield wipers to get the windshield all cleaned off, and we're just going to run it. Oh my God, somehow she started. She didn't want to. I had to give her a couple revs. Man, she is chooching away like a dang choo-choo train. Stir up my people. Gotta put some heat into this thing. Alright, so the car's all warmed up and I should be outside filming this thing ripping, but let me tell you, I'm living luxury right now. I got my feet up on the dash. So toasty, the heat is on max, this car is completely warmed up, and when I tell you that I am comfortable, it may not seem it, 6'4" in a convertible, but I am feeling like the king of this driveway right now. The snow was like super unexpected. I was gonna do Halloween stuff today, but snow burnouts are way more fun than that. It's pretty weird. I live on top of a mountain. I just came down from it. There's like no snow down here, like it didn't even happen. I really hope it's this side that does it. You'll see. I think it was the passenger side. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my. Dude, there is no traction in this thing, which isn't a good thing. I really want this thing to be gripped up when it's all-wheel drive, but front-wheel drive can be fun. I wish it was just rear wheel, not just front wheel. Put all that power to the back wheels instead of the front, but my goal here is to blow this pumpkin to smithereens. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm really hoping that it does. I don't know what you guys think can happen in the comments, but I'm trying to make pumpkin pie. Oh my God. That is not what I expected, but I definitely need to throw the camera on over here, and we really just need to blow this thing apart. I'm not gonna stop till this thing is just blown to pieces. We're gonna put the camera over here. It's crazy. Oh my God, what a mess. This is more than I want to clean up right now, but oh, this is much better. You got a hole in it already and everything. This thing's heavy. Seems legit. Oh, you need a muffler for your car? Then the HOA call and say you got to fight that thing down. We'll put a pumpkin on it, silence that car right up, and look, it even two-steps. I don't think the HOA's me calling anymore. Pumpkin pie is served. Time to feed the animals, I guess. Happy Halloween. My car got absolutely thrashed. It looks just as bad as the other day when the squirrels attacked my car. I don't even want to talk about it, but it looks just as bad. I power washed the car off, and something is making a super loud, like, hissing noise. I think it's all the seeds down in there that have the moisture evaporating out of them, but I gotta wash this thing off. How much I love the snow. Literally got pumpkin everywhere. It's all over the Mark 6. It's all over the door of the TT. It's all down in here, but I couldn't get all of that. I mean, you guys can literally see that you can make a whole pumpkin pie out of that. But there's some pumpkin left over right on the ground, so. That works so well. Thank you, Mr. Pumpkin. We gotta go for round 2. We gotta make more smoke. Alrighty, well, there's pumpkin all over the ground. There's snow on the ground in October. It's super weird. Leaves are still in the trees. These cars got absolutely thrashed on. I love thrashing on my cars. I don't like babying them, and I don't like washing them. It's just my style. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, your build is unique to you. Keep smiling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace. Perfect.